Hello and welcome to the binomial theorem. Today we are looking at how to multiply a binomial term by it times itself several times. So here we have x plus y to the power of n, and in our first form here, in our summation form, we have the large sigma from 0 to n, indicating that we add everything that comes after the sigma. And the first thing we have here is this n over k in large brackets. That simply means that that is a combination. It's just a different form of writing n choose k. That then is multiplied to x to the power of n minus k times y to the power of k. So written out in longer hand is the form here in blue, shows each of those terms added out until you get to the end. So let's show this for x plus y to the power of 5. So our first term will be 5 choose 0 times x to the 5th power y to the 0 power. Our second term will be 5 choose 1 times x to the 4 n minus 1 y 1 plus our third term, which will be 5 choose 2 times x cubed, make that look like a 3, y squared, and then I'll move down here, plus 5 choose 3 x squared y cubed plus 5 choose 4 x to the 1 y to the 4 plus lastly 5 choose 5 x to the 0 y to the 5. And you'll notice each time we go through this that the power on our y matches our k term. And that's because, as you notice in the equation, that they were the same. But that's how to keep yourself on track, making sure that each of these comes up the way you want that to happen. Now to simplify each of those terms. In our very first term, 5 choose 0 is going to be equal to 1 times x to the 5th times y to the 0, which also equals 1. So the very first term then is simply x to the 5th. And I'll continue to proceed through. Here it is typed out for you, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better than my handwriting. Hopefully all of this helps. Your next challenge will be to complete a binomial expansion involving numbers as well as variables. Good luck!